Hey everyone, Gil here at Graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about firewood tools. Specifically, axes, hatchets, wedges, non-powered ones. Yes, there are chainsaws, but I'm talking about non-powered tools for gathering firewood. That also includes getting some of the big old-time two-man saws if you need to. It's that time of the year where you really should be start stocking up on your firewood so that it has a chance to season before you have to use it. Make sure it dries out properly and is well kept. So it takes time to do this, so now's the time to start doing it. But when you're using your axes and hatchets and wedges, make sure they're in good shape, properly sharpened, handles properly secured. With your saws, make sure they're sharpened and well oiled, well taken care of, no rust on them. A good, well maintained tool works a lot better than one that has a bit of neglect on it. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month, like how to properly use a hatchet and axe. Grow more fresh vegetables, because what you get in the stores, you really don't want to have all those chemicals they spray on them.